Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kanisha. If you're new here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and comment your website down below. So today we have another do-it-yourself video. I need to get some more packaging printed, so I have my premium photo paper right here, and I got this from Dollar Tree, and it's great paper. I use these for my postcards and also my custom earring cards and necklace cards. And I also have some round labels, and I usually use these for my eyelash packs, so I'm going to be printing off some of these. I also use them for my packages, just like if I want to spice up the box or just add it to the tissue paper. You definitely just want to have logo stickers in stock, and girl, I haven't had any in stock in like forever because I keep running out. Y'all can get these at Walmart, you can get them online. I definitely recommend the Avery brand over this brand. You can use Avery's templates online for this brand or whatever, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Hopefully they turn out right, because sometimes they're not centered, but yeah, I also want to make some more of these little cards for my notebooks or whatever, so I need to do that. May add in a few other things. So if y'all want to see me basically just make all different types of custom packaging and stuff for my business, getting prepared, getting everything in order, so when my shipments come with all of my inventory, I'll just basically have like all of my packaging in stock ready to go. I did want to quickly show you guys my notebook. This is a notebook custom made and designed by me. If you guys did not know, I have a girl boss type of brand. It's called Pretty and Paid. I've had it for a while now, and I just decided to add stationery. Basically, I just wanted to have something for entrepreneurs. This is just the start of many things that I'm going to have, but of course I just wanted to do something small and simple for my first product launch. As you can see, it's just a girl, you know, cute girl at her desk or whatever. Girl, we in the office, we get into it. So I added that on here, and then we have a custom page. So I'm gonna write my name on here, and then owner of, I'm gonna write all of my businesses right here that I wanna keep track of in this notebook. And of course, we have the business checklist. Now in this checklist, I wrote some things that I think are important to start your business, or like the process of your business. I know I'm missing some things, or I could take out some things, but this is what just came to mind when I was making the list or whatever. So yeah, I have a business plan on here, logo design, website, socials, LLC. Nothing is in order. I just, you know, did it randomly or whatever. And I think this is very helpful, because this is stuff that I do usually in my notes in my phone, you know, just to keep everything organized or whatever. And it has lots and lots of notebook paper for you guys to jot things down and just keep track of everything. When I tell y'all, I use my notes and like just notebooks so freaking much, like so much. So then we also have a goals page, and for this goals page, I'm gonna basically just put like, for my daily goals, I'll probably just put like my shipping days, my uploading schedule, like how much money I wanna make daily, stuff like that. And for my short-term goals, I'll probably just put like how many followers, subscribers I want to get by this date, what product I want to launch by this date, just stuff like that. You can put whatever you want. And then we have lots of more paper. This notebook has 70 pages, and it's 8.5 by 11 inches, so it is a full size notebook. I really love it. It takes a lot of time and money to make one of these. I'm still waiting on the clear cover to come in, so when you guys receive your notebook, they will come with a clear cover on the front and also a clear cover on the back, because I want you guys to have the best quality. I'm also waiting on my corner protectors, so I'm going to have gold corner protectors on all 4 sides, so you guys won't get those little rough ends or whatever. I pay attention to like all of the little details. I'm waiting on those to come. I ordered them kind of late. It was just a lot of stuff going on, so I'm waiting for those to come in tomorrow and on Wednesday. So before any of you guys get your order, you will have all of that on here, and I will keep you guys updated with how it's looking. In the future, I will have more custom pages in them, but this is just a standard notebook. I'm going to eventually move on to journals and planners and all of that, and they will have like all custom pages. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. So if you guys want to go purchase that, I'll have the link down below. Make sure you guys go grab one. I really appreciate y'all so much. Thank you so much to those of you that ordered from me already. Okay, so we're first going to start with the logo stickers. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so this is the printer that I use. It's the Canon Pixma TR4522. I used to use a different printer when I lived at my other apartment complex because we had a business office and they had like a whole little, you know, printer set up and everything in there. Or I used to go to Staples, but now I have my own printer. Shout out to my hubby or whatever. He got me a printer for Valentine's Day. So far, everything has been printing out in good quality. The only problem I am having is with the ink. I'm not sure if it's just me or if it's the printer. It's probably just me because I've been printing out a lot of things and I've been running out of ink like crazy. So if you guys know any different ways to save on ink, like any subscriptions or anything like that, please link them down below because this ink is killing my pockets. And yeah, you guys always ask me about my printer, so I had to give y'all, you know, the tea on it or whatever. Here are the labels that I already showed you guys, so let's go ahead and open those up. It comes with 60 labels, and this is what they look like. So when you use this printer, you put it in like backwards like this. So when you guys are printing, make sure you guys pay attention to that because it does matter. Trust me. So yeah, that's how I put mine in. Okay guys, so this is what the logo stickers look like. And as you can see, every time I use this brand, they are off-centered. So usually the off-centered ones, I just use those for like on my box or like just something that doesn't really matter or whatever, because I'm not sure how to change that. This will be my last time purchasing them. As you can see, it's not centered right. Next, we have the photo paper, and this one comes with 6 in a pack. Like I always say, it just really depends on your Dollar Tree because sometimes they come with like 10, sometimes they come with 6, like this one. So it's glossy on one side, and you want to make sure this is the side you print on, and then this side is like a matte. Then put it in the printer like so. Okay, so here is how they look. They look just alike. So all I do is use the Avery template. Even though I'm not making labels or printing out labels, I go ahead and still use their template. If you guys have been on my, you guys know I always talk about Avery templates, not for just labels. You can use their templates and still print out on regular papers, but it gives you like different sizes and stuff to use and all of that. So I really love that about Avery.com or whatever. So yeah, all I did is the same exact thing, and I just printed it out on different paper or whatever. So I do have a video, link down below. So I'm gonna put that right there. And then we have one more thing to print out. I'm gonna print out some postcards. I don't know which style postcards I want to use, but I'm just gonna print out a couple just to see or whatever. So let's put this back in here, and then let's start printing. Okay guys, so this is how the postcards look. I usually print something on the back too, but I don't think I am for these ones. I just want to mix it up or whatever. Have some plain like this, and I'm just going to cut these in a square, but I usually do cut them in the shape of my logo, but I don't feel like getting out my Cricut Girl, so I'm just going to keep them in a square, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. We have one more thing that I want to get done. For this, I'm going to be using my cardstock. I have everything printed out that I'm going to be using for today. This is a like cutting machine from Walmart. I bought this for like $17, but they do have cheaper ones. So if you guys want something that has like a clean cut or whatever, just easier to cut if you guys like cut things a lot, this would be good. I do recommend the one with like the long blade on it because this one gets stuck sometimes and I don't like that. But I do have my Cricut machine, but I don't feel like turning it on right now. So we're just going to use that. So I'm first going to start off with the logo stickers. And I'm just gonna show you guys how I usually put them on here. Pretty self-explanatory. Here is how it looks. And let's just put this right here. And then let's do the other one. They literally all are off center except for 2. Do not recommend at all. Okay, so we have that one. Y'all will see me use the rest of these in my upcoming videos when I do like package orders with me or whatever. I'm going to go ahead and cut this. So just gonna line it up. I really have a love and hate relationship with this thing, so let's go. See, I just messed up on that part, but it's okay. That one, that one. Okay, so here's how it looks. So here are my postcards for now. This is how they look. They printed out really good. These postcards probably cost me about 15 cents, 20 cents to make, since I made them at home and I used cheap paper from Dollar Tree. It literally took me cents to do this, and the companies will probably charge you like $15, $20. So yeah, girl, I'm trying to make y'all save some money. They came out really, really good and good quality, so we love that. Any glossy paper that you get is gonna really look like high-end, good quality. As you can see, I use the same printer, but this is cardstock, so it gives you two different, you know, two different looks or whatever. Both good, but just two different looks. So we have both of those completed. Now let's move on to these. I'm gonna go ahead and do that one. So it looks like this. And then move it over. So here is how they look, and then they're all the same size, which is very surprising. I don't know if it's because I'm on camera, but when I just did these, they were not all the same size, so that's good. Okay guys, so here are the little inserts that I made. Nothing major, just super simple. I'm trying to figure out like the perfect measurements, but so I'm just playing around with it. So yeah, but those are good for now. So now we have to finish the earring cards and the necklace cards. Usually I print on the back and I make it say like fashion jewelry and I have Katie K Beauty, but I did not do that this time. So what I'm gonna do is just do this later. I'm gonna have to reprint and all of that. So yeah, but y'all seen me do that so many times, especially if you guys watch my Boss Man series. Y'all seen that so many times. And just printed out one little small one just to show you guys like how I do it or whatever. I won't be using that one because it doesn't have the information on the back. So we have our custom earring cards, we have our logo stickers, we have some postcards, and then we have my cardstock inserts for my notebooks. So yeah, here's an up close view of this little cutting board if you guys really like that. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this. I could do like more like well, I already do like a lot of package videos, but I usually just do like one product. Basically just like me getting organized and, you know, preparing myself for when all of my inventory arrives or whatever. A little do-it-yourself video for y'all. But if you guys want in-depth videos, I believe I have in-depth videos for all of these things. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said, if you guys would love one of these notebooks, girl, go pick one up. I will have the link down below. You can use the code YouTube for a percentage off or whatever. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys next time, boss friends. Bye.